Question number 1. Explain that sound play an important role in our life. Question number 2. Write the name of some music instrument. Question number 3. Sound is produced by dash body. Question number 4. What is vibration? Question number 5. What is voice box or larynx? Question number 6. Explain windpipe and how many part vocal cords. Question number 7. Explain how the voice of two person are different. Question number 8. How voice is generated by voice box. Question number 9. The vocal cord in the man are about dash dash millimeter long. Question number 10. The vocal cord in the woman are about dash millimeter long. Question number 11. Sounds need a dash to travel. Question number 12. What is vacuum? Question number 13. Sound cannot travel through dash. Question number 14. What is eardrum? Question number 15. How our ear listen a sound? Question number 16. Why should we not put something in our ear? Question number 17. Question number 18. What is oscillatory motion? Question number 19. Explain frequency of oscillation. Question number 20. Frequency is measured in dash and its symbol dash. Question number 21. What is amplitude? Question number 22. What is the main property of sound? Question number 23. Explain shrillness or pitch. Question number 24. Loudness of sound is dash to the dash of the amplitude of the vibration producing the sound. Question number 25. What is the unit of loudness? Question number 26. If the amplitude became twice, loudness increase by a factor of dash. Question number 27. Dash dB noise becomes physically painful. Question number 28. Explain why sound depend on its amplitude. Question number 29. Why a bird make a low pitch sound but a lion roar high pitch sound. Question number 30. Why are the voices of women and children louder than the voices of men? Question number 31. Differentiate between audible and inaudible sound. Question number 32. What is the human ear audible sound range? Question number 23. Why ultrasound equipment are useful for us? Question number 34. What is noise? Question number 35. Explain noise pollution. बच्चों ये वाले क्वेश्चंस मैंने साउंड चैप्टर से निकाले हैं और ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने NCERT बुक से निकाले हैं जो क्लास 8 वाली है। उम्मीद है बच्चों आपको ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आते होंगे। अगर आपने इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा तो ये आपको सारे के सारे ज़रूर आते मिलेंगे। और बच्चों कोशिश करना है इनको गूगल वगैरह से ना ढूंढ के अपनी बुक से ही आप इसको पढ़ के निकालोगे ना, आराम से मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है, आप जैसे ही एक बार दो बार इस चैप्टर को पढ़ोगे सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे, वहीं से मैंने सारे निकाले हैं। ठीक है बच्चों, उम्मीद है आपको क्वेश्चन आते होंगे। और अगर आपको अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर ये चेक कराना है तो आप इसको सोल्व करके मेरे पास भेजिए, मैं इसको चेक कर दूंगा। ओके बच्चों, बाय।